a little bit more and not put it in spin.
Yeah. No, you don't want to put too much because then it's not really going to stick to you.
Goofy girl. Really, I think when you rub it in harder, it seems to work better.
I just got to clean some freaking trash. I just recorded that on the camera too. Are you supposed to rub? Yeah, you're supposed to rub down.
In the same direction.
And then
apply, rub, and in the opposite direction of pulling. That was a better one. It got whatever where it grabbed the.
oh yes. I think I could cover my entire head with this strip.
Just that little section that it missed.
You gotta put that in.